compassion not from prayer, not from technology, not from money, not from religion, but from mother. This is my fundamental belief. Mother, I consider our first teacher, teach compassion. First day after my birth, immediately I learned, I experienced the mother's sort of compassion, mother's affection. That is, I think, the most important part of building healthy family. And that means healthy humanity. So, the football, then the member of the team should be humble, honest, truthful, compassionate, self-disciplined, contented. These are the value of Tibetan Buddhist culture.